Hi, my name is Luke. I'm a leasing consultant here at AMLI 535, and today I'm going to be showing you our electric floor plan. This is a one bed with den floor plan. It's 918 square feet, making it one of our most spacious one bedroom floor plans. I think you're going to really like what you see. All right, so here we have the electric floor plan, the one bed with den. Straight off to the left from the entry here, you have the den. You can see that baseboard heater. There's actually a separate thermostat for the den, as well as the living room and the bedroom as well. One of my favorite parts of this unit is actually this utility room right here. You can see you've got plenty of space for all of your cleaning supplies, laundry hampers, all of that good stuff. Coming through here, you've got the kitchen. You can see it's a C-shaped kitchen, so you've got plenty of counter space as well as cabinetry. We also have these brand new stainless steel appliances. We are an Energy Star certified community, so we've taken care to select appliances that are a little kinder to the environment, high efficiency, save you a bit of money on your utilities as well. Then through here, we've got the living and dining room. Very, very spacious in here. Nice big window at the end so you get plenty of natural sunlight. So as you can see, there's plenty of space, but another great feature of this unit is this balcony out here. And now the bathroom, of course. Plenty of storage in here. I especially love this deep garden-style tub. Perfect spot for a nice soak after a long day. Some little built-in shelving there as well. And then, of course, we've got the bedroom. This bedroom is like the rest of the unit, very spacious. You can easily fit a king-size bed in here with some side tables and maybe a dresser. And we, of course, have the walk-in closet as well. Thanks again for letting me show you around today. If you have any questions or if you'd like to start the leasing process, feel free to reach out to us at any time and we'll be happy to help.